Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial. So this tutorial is how I got my face like this. My lips are a little dark today just because I wanted to have like a darker look to them. So this is usually my look, but my lips, I usually just honestly wear like clear lip gloss or like Nivea chapstick. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for how to get snatched like this. But also please turn on your notification bells so that every Monday when I drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. So thanks for rocking with me. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance because my skin is very dry due to this winter in North Carolina, y'all. I'm so sorry. And I just take a little tiny brush. This is from Real Techniques. I don't even know the name of it. It's called an accent brush. So something real like small like that. It's just not trying to focus, but you want to take that and you want to go underneath the bottom part of your brow. And this just helps carve out the shape of your brow and make it look extremely crisp. So I use a lighter color underneath here. And this is the same color that I used to highlight with as well. Just sponge and just blend out the corners. For the top part of my brows, I do outline those as well. I use my Fenty Beauty foundation in shade 370. So I'm going in with the same brush and just outlining the top. And this is the foundation that I use for my entire face. And you just want to blend that out super quick because Fenty foundation does mattify very fast. After that, I get a brow gel, and I'm just using Sephora's brand brow gel. I think it was like $12, and this is in clear. So I usually use about 2 pumps of my Fenty Beauty foundation. And I'm also using her sponge. I love this sponge. It works way better with her foundation than the Beauty Blender does. So I think that this would just be a great purchase. If you have scars, then this is going to be the best bet for you because you're able to build your coverage up way more. That is what it looks like with one coat of the Fenty Beauty foundation in 370. Now, I did purchase her matchsticks, the trio. So the great thing about her matchsticks are you can use this before or after your foundation to conceal. So on this side, I'm going to go with this after my foundation, and this side I'm going to show you what it looks like when you put it on before. And the color is a little bit light, but it definitely works once you blend it out. So this is what the foundation looks like after just one coat. But I still have a few imperfections peeking through, so I'm going to go ahead and conceal a little bit more. So here I'm going in with a second coat of foundation. I'm using this contour brush by Real Techniques just to buff out the contour that I put on. And after I buff out with this brush, I go in with my Rihanna sponge just to blend out every line. Here I'm using a smaller contour brush by Morphe. It's more precise, so it's perfect for those small areas like the bridge of your nose. So here I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel just because it's more moisturizing than the Fenty Beauty Matchstix. Once that concealer is applied, I use Sacha Buttercup Loose Powder to set my concealer. I don't bake because my skin is already dry enough, so I immediately wipe it off after putting it on. And taking the product right underneath the line of your contour helps to chisel out your face and just snatch it, girl, snatch it. And here I'm just taking my ABH Dip powder just a little bit just to darken up my eyebrows. And even though Rihanna's matchsticks are a cream to powder finish, I still like to go ahead and set it with a powder or a pressed powder. So here I'm using NARS Casino Bronzer. Okay, let's get into the shimmer stick. I absolutely love this shimmer stick. It's in the color Rum. It's very flesh tone with the nice amount, like the perfect amount of shimmer. So I really enjoy that because not too overbearing. Y'all really need to go pick up this brush. Like, it's perfect. It deposits the highlight in the most perfect areas. And sis, if you have any moles or freckles, I really encourage you to bring them back out from under the hidden shadows of your foundation. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Especially comment, because I'd love to see what else you guys would love to see from me. So let me know.